Friends, I gave Synthesia one of my short clips, and a few minutes later it came back as a dubbed version where my face follows the new audio. I did not record another take, hire a voice actor, or manually fix the mouth movement. One recording goes in, and the localized version comes out. That is the part worth testing, because this is much more interesting than adding subtitles under the same old clip. I am Daniel, and today we are testing Synthesia's AI Video Translator with my own footage, starting from the free lip-sync translation workflow. Then I'll review the result and open the editor to see what can be adjusted before sharing. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. Folks, Synthesia is a platform for creating professional videos directly in the browser. Teams use it when they need training clips, product explainers, or internal updates without setting up a full shoot. The platform is known for AI presenters and fast content creation. But today I want to test one very specific workflow. AI Video Translator takes a recording you already have and helps turn it into another language. You can upload a file or paste a YouTube link, pick what to convert it to, and generate a dubbed version from that source. Mates, the part I care about most here is the lip sync. A normal translation can sound fine and still look strange when the mouth stays locked to the old language. Here the tool rebuilds the spoken version and adjusts the lip movement, so the clip has a better chance of feeling made for that audience. It supports over 130 languages and accents. That gives creators a faster way to localize short clips, while businesses can reuse a demo for another market without starting production again. Alright, my friends, we're starting with Synthesia's free AI Video Translator. This is a good place to begin because it lets you test the core localization process without committing to a larger project. You can upload your own footage or use a YouTube link, which makes the entry point pretty simple. For the first test, I'm using a short recording and translating it into Spanish. That gives us a clear way to judge the new voice and see how naturally the mouth movement follows the audio. Once the file is uploaded, Synthesia gives you a few settings before generation. Lip sync is the important one here, because the speaker stays visible throughout the clip. Folks, subtitles are useful as well, especially when you want to check the new wording without replaying every line several times. There is also a choice between adaptive timing and the original duration. Adaptive mode gives the dubbed speech more room when the new sentence becomes longer, while the original option keeps the video closer to its existing pace. After a couple of minutes, the Spanish version is ready. Let's watch it.
Bienvenido a mi canal, donde hago tutoriales inteligentes. Aquí está todo, así que quédate. Y listo, en menos de 5 minutos. No solo es rápido, es inteligente y cuida tu presupuesto. Gracias por ver. Nos vemos en la próxima.
For a free first test, the result is fairly solid. I would still review the full clip before publishing, but the mouth movement follows the new audio better than I expected. More importantly, the translated piece already feels watchable rather than looking like a rough technical demo. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's move to a more realistic example with a YouTube short. This time the goal is to create several localized versions from the same source clip. That is much closer to how a creator or marketing team would use the platform in practice. Synthesia offers a selection of common languages, and I'm also adding Chinese as a more demanding test. The sentence rhythm is very different from English, so it should show how well the timing can adapt. Folks, before generation, the platform detects the original language automatically and gives you access to the transcript. For me, this is one of the most important checkpoints. A small mistake in a name or phrase could appear in every translated video, so correcting it here saves a lot of work later. Once the transcript is approved, Synthesia creates all versions at once. You do not need to repeat the same process separately for every translation. Now let's look at the results.
Leute, die meisten Influencer-Kampagnen laufen noch über Tabellen, manuellen Outreach und endlose Creator-Recherche. Teams stecken jede Woche viel Zeit in Creator-Recherche, Kampagnenabstimmung und Kommunikation über mehrere Plattformen.
Mates, the German clip feels fairly steady. The lip sync is not completely invisible, but the rhythm stays natural enough for the short to remain watchable.
Les gars, la plupart des campagnes d'influence tournent encore au tableur, à la prise de contact manuelle et à des recherches créateurs sans fin. Chaque semaine, les équipes perdent un temps fou à chercher des créateurs, coordonner les campagnes et échanger partout à la main.
French has a softer flow, and the pacing works nicely with this particular clip. I would still ask a native speaker to review the wording, but visually it already feels close to something you could publish.
各位，多数网红行销案背后还是靠试算表、人工邀约，还有没完没了的创作者研究。团队每周都花很多时间手动做创作者调查、活动协调，还要跨平台沟通。
Chinese is the more challenging example. I expected the timing to struggle because the language structure is so different from English, but the main speaking moments hold together better than expected.
Chicos, muchas campañas de influencers aún van con hojas de cálculo, contacto manual y horas buscando creadores por detrás. Cada semana los equipos pierden mucho tiempo investigando creadores, coordinando campañas y hablando en varias plataformas.
Spanish is probably the cleanest output in this test. The voice sounds clear, the timing feels comfortable, and the lip sync gives the video a much stronger result than subtitles alone. Guys, once the translations are ready, the project stays available inside the same workspace. This is where Synthesia starts to feel more useful for teams. Comments and review access can be handled directly around the content, so a native speaker or client can check the result before it goes live. Sharing is straightforward as well. Each translated version can be sent through a public link or added elsewhere with an embed option. The editor gives you more control when something still needs adjustment. You can clean up the transcript, improve the subtitles, or try a different voice if the first one does not suit the speaker. A custom voice is also available for projects that need a closer match to the original person. Folks, the analytics page becomes relevant after the localized videos are shared. It shows whether people are actually watching them, which is much more useful than simply knowing the translations were generated. And if another language is needed later, you can add it from the same project, instead of rebuilding everything from the beginning. For me, that is the main advantage of the workflow. Once the original recording is prepared properly, creating and managing additional versions becomes much easier. So guys, after testing Synthesia's AI Video Translator, the useful part for me is how quickly it turns an existing recording into something you can actually review. Just upload one clip, choose another language, and a few minutes later, I can already judge the dub, the subtitles, and the lip sync on my own face. I would still check each result before publishing. The voice may need a better fit, and some lip movements can still feel generated, especially when the language rhythm changes a lot. But the workflow gives you a strong first draft without filming the same message again. For creators, that means a good short does not have to stay locked to one audience. For teams, demos, or training materials, can be adapted faster when the same message needs to work in another market. Friends, this review is sponsored by Synthesia. Try free video translator with your own clip using the link in the description. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.